Looking for the best camera backpacks to keep your gear safe, organized, and ready for your next adventure? In this video, we've rounded up top picks that combine comfort, durability, and smart storage. Stick around to find the perfect fit for your photography needs, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily product recommendations. Number 1. Nomatic McKinnon 35L. Here it is, folks, the best of the best camera backpack we tested. The Nomatic McKinnon 35L goes above and beyond to provide all the essential coverage for your professional camera gear while taking comfort and style seriously. This is our number 1 pick. Let's start with the build. The McKinnon camera pack was constructed with travel in mind. There are 2 main compartments, the camera gear hub and the luggage hub. The camera gear compartment easily organizes your gear with sturdy padded dividers fitting multiple cameras, lenses, and accessories. We fit 2 DSLR cameras, 2 lenses, a 35mm camera, a Profoto EX1 flash, and a run-and-gun microphone attachment in the dividers. The luggage compartment can easily hold a day or 2 worth of clothing without the 42L extension, or up to 4 days of clothing when opening the zipper extension. There is a separate side computer compartment on the back panel that fits up to a 16-foot MacBook Pro laptop that is well padded and snug. Number 2. Peak Design Everyday Zip 20L. We didn't quite realize the everyday element of PD's Everyday Zip would truly permeate every element of our lives. But oh boy, do we love this backpack. It became our daily driver nearly the moment we slid it from the box, and has quite literally accompanied one of our authors on every trip he's taken in the last 5 months of our testing period. Like old thru-hiking backpacks, or his dad's ancient Kelty external frame riddled with spiderwebs in the basement. This is one of those rare packs he's already formed an emotional connection with. It's hard to beat this little beast. Now, it definitely is a little beast. This isn't designed to haul every lens in your loadout, multiple camera bodies, or any big fancy flash or audio rigs. Otherwise, it may be sitting at the top of this guide. The 20L volume of this gem allows you to carry just what you need for a simple day-long photo or video shoot, while still being fast and limber as you bounce around a wedding venue or follow a film crew in the backcountry. Number 3. Lowpro Pro Treuer RLX 450AW2. When you're a traveling photographer and you tend to bring your gear in a carry-on backpack, you can understand just how heavy your gear can get when standing through security lines, walking to and from gates, and on to your destination. The Lowpro Pro Treuer RLX 450AW2 is the perfect companion for traversing through cities and airports as an incredible camera backpack with wheels. Lowpro created the best convertible camera backpack roller that protects and organizes camera gear in a compact carry-on size. Like most of Lowpro's gear, this backpack is a part of their green line with 69% recycled fabrics and comes with an all-weather rain cover. We tested this pack on an international trip to Belgium and the Netherlands. As you may suspect, it rained often on this trip and required the rainfly, which stood the test to the elements of both rain and street grunge. Both the camera backpack and roller bag modes were put to use at various times. Number 4. Wandered Perk 21L V2. If you need a bag that can go anywhere, regardless of the weather, the Wandered PRVK 21L Photo Bundle, $299, is the way to go. Consisting of the PRVK 21 pack, accessory straps, a waist pack, and a rainfly, this rugged set is one of our better picks for hiking on this list. The back panel and shoulder straps feature improved comfort through a more ergonomic shape and additional padding. Plus, there's a side access port to quickly grab the camera while you trek. Otherwise, the clamshell opening makes gear access so simple and easy on the fly. Magnets in the handles mean they can snap together for a tote-style carry. This 21L pack's main body can fit your camera body, extra lenses, a drone, and a flash unit in the main compartment with its removable padded separators. If you need to bring more along, the expandable roll top unfurls to add an extra 5L of space to the pack. Smaller internal pockets keep your accessories organized. Number 5. Thule Covert 32L. You probably know Thule from those sleek rooftop cargo boxes you see on that Subaru flying by you on the freeway toward some exotic destination. But the brand also makes excellent packs. And the Covert $320, lives up to its reputation for quality and innovation. The first thing we noticed was the removable padded camera pod that can be worn as a sling or shoulder bag. This separate pocket can hold a DSLR camera with an ultra-wide-angle lens and a DJI Mavic Pro drone. Cleverly, you can pull the pod out and just take your camera and drone with you without hauling all your gear. The camera pod sports a unique design quirk. The interior organizer takes inspiration from origami, folding in multiple configurations so you can store your cameras however you'd like.